Namaskar. Sandwiches we can have for breakfast or for high tea. Today we will learn different types of sandwiches. Paneer sandwich, white bread slices, grated paneer, butter, mint chutney, lettuce, chopped onions, roasted cumin powder, black pepper, salt, chopped green chilli, red chilli powder, chopped coriander leaves, sliced tomato, butter, mint chutney, grated paneer, chopped onions, cumin powder, black pepper, some salt, red chilli powder, chopped coriander, chopped green chilli, mix, lettuce, tomato slices, some salt and some pepper, place the paneer stuffing, cover it, cut the sides, cut into two pieces lengthwise.